Unique is a dirty word. Hey, I'm Elise, I'm a YouTube strategist, and today I want to talk to you about how unique is a word that you maybe should or shouldn't be using in your business. So guys, today I want to talk to you about the word unique. And for those of you who've been with me for any amount of time, you may know that this is a word that I have a tendency to cringe at. Because every business owner, every person I ever talk to, especially when they first get started in their business, wants to use the word unique. And yes, that includes me. So for those of you who don't know, I started out in e-commerce. I actually was a maker. I made jewelry. I made handbags. I made hats. I made binder covers. I made scrapbooks, digital scrapbooks, all sorts of things that I sold. And then I was pushed by the people around me to start teaching how to do things like marketing and the technical side of what a business requires. And slowly over time, over the last 7 to 8 years, I have transitioned, and now I'm a YouTube strategist, which means I help you in one of two ways, either with done-for-you services or teaching you how to do it yourself, monetize YouTube, but not just through the YouTube Partner Program. And the problem with the word unique is it's not unique in marketing. And so every time I hear someone with their talking about their business using the word unique, I have a tendency to cringe because I know that that word doesn't carry the weight that we think it does. But having said that, I want to talk to you guys about how you are unique, how you are different, what makes you stand out. For those of you who don't know, November 8th is my birthday, which happens to be the day that I'm recording this video. And I have a big sale every single year in celebration of my birthday. And every single year, those are the lowest prices that you can find on anything I offer. And so I choose to celebrate my birthday with you. Why would I do that? Well, there are a couple of reasons, but one is it makes me stand out and be different, right? So for those of you whose birthday isn't on November the 8th, it gives you an opportunity to celebrate with me. And then for those of you who know someone or whose birthday is November the 8th, it puts us in a group together. And so this fact of it being my birthday makes me different and separate from other people. It also puts me into an in-group. So it makes me different and the same as certain people. And these are the things that we have to do in our business. We have to identify ourselves. Not just us, but also our business. What makes it different? So you might hear the term unique selling proposition. This is the thing that makes you different, that makes you unique. And so today on my birthday, I want you guys to think about what makes you unique? What makes you different? Why are you different from others who are doing exactly what you're doing? A lot of times we want to say that it is our product. Whether that is a service or a physical product, it doesn't matter. We want to say what makes us different is our product. But a lot of the times that isn't the case. I'm a YouTube strategist. You can find other YouTube strategists. They exist. Many of them are men, so one of my unique selling propositions is that I am not a guy, which does give me a slightly different perspective. I can go into the reasons that what I teach is different than what someone else teaches, but ultimately at the end of the day, what you remember is that I teach YouTube, that I help with YouTube. What makes me different is I'm a girl, I have weird colored hair, how I talk, my birthday, the free things that I offer, the way that I communicate with people. All of these things make me different than other people. And leaning into those differences, those unique things, those unique qualities is what makes people drawn to you. So, what do you have that makes you different or unique? What is your birthday? Go ahead and comment below. Tell me your birthday. I'd love to know. I don't know much about anything, so I'm not going to judge you based on your birthday. When it comes to, I don't know, horoscopes or whatever, I don't know. But share your birthday. Maybe you'll find someone else in this group whose birthday is the same month and or day as yours. That would be really cool. Where do you live? That makes you unique. Drop that in the comments. Birthday, where do you live? What is one thing that makes you different and unique? So I love kayaking. There is a difference between sharing you with your audience and turning your business into your personal stuff. So let me explain. There are times that I look at people's social media and it legitimately is hard to tell if they're a business or not. That's not what we're talking about here. So every single post is you're sharing your kids or your dog or your whatever. What you made for dinner. There's no business angle there. All I can see is your life. That is making your business stuff a personal thing, which does not really help you most of the time. The difference is how you present it and what you're doing with it. It is a good idea to share yourself with your people, assuming that you're a coach and that you're trying to do stuff one-on-one, or you're trying to promote a lifestyle, right? So let's say you sell kayaks. Talking about kayaking and showing pictures of you going kayaking definitely ties into your business. It's very easy to see that connection. If you're a coach and you do Zoom calls and you take screenshots of that or videos of that and you share that, that makes a lot of sense. It clearly ties into your business. If you're a coach and you like kayaking, can you tie kayaking into your business? I do. I'm going on a walk this morning. That's my life. How do they make it part of my business? Well, we're standing here talking about business. When I go to your accounts, can I tell what you do? Immediately. So one big issue is if everything you post is your life and you don't post anything about your business, that's a problem. The second thing is when you post about your life, are you able to make it tie into your business? Some of you may be thinking, well, Elise, I don't really want to share my life with my business. That is totally fine. For me, what has worked is making my business not have to be separate. Trying to force that separation makes me feel like two different people. And that's not what I want. I want to be myself and bring you into what happens in my life, which is why I do these conversations. So how can you do that today that feels genuine to you, that makes you unique? Do it and see what happens. The last time I stopped doing these recordings, I had so much pushback. People basically begging me to continue doing them. And I thought they were ridiculous. But I tried it, and it was a good idea. So, I encourage you to do the same. I hope to see you at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time today, November 8th through November the 14th, so at 2 p.m. every day. I will be doing a spin the wheel where I will do a sale every single day, and you can get a discount. Biggest discount you can get, at least for the next 12 months, on either done for you or do-it-yourself services for YouTube. Any questions, you can drop those below. I can't wait to see your birthdays and where you're at. And I hope to see you tomorrow. I am so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day. Bye.